The sulci and gyri on the inferior surface of the hemisphere are as follows. This is the posterior tentorial part of the inferior surface. It shows two antero-posterior parallel sulci, the latter of which is called occipito-temporal sulcus and is divided into two parts. The medial sulcus is called collateral sulcus. This is the rhinal sulcus, which lies in line with the collateral sulcus and bounds the uncus laterally. This is the uncus, which is a center for smell. The gyri of this surface are as follows from lateral to medial. This is the lateral occipito-temporal gyrus. This is the medial occipito-temporal gyrus. This is the lingual gyrus, which is a center for vision. It runs below the stem of the calcarine sulcus and continues forwards below the splenium to merge into the para-hippocampal gyrus. This is the para-hippocampal gyrus, which forms the free medial border of the hemisphere. It lies close to the side of the midbrain. The para-hippocampal gyrus is related deeply to a gray mass called hippocampus, hence the name para-hippocampal gyrus. It continues forwards to form the uncus at the temporal pole. The uncus is bounded from the remainder of the temporal lobe by the rhinal sulcus. This is the orbital part of the inferior surface. It rests over the roof of the orbit. It shows an H-shaped sulcus, and its posterior limit is separated from the temporal pole by the stem of the lateral sulcus. Parallel to its medial border lies the olfactory tract, with its swollen anterior end called olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb and the tract lie in the olfactory sulcus. The gyrus medial to the olfactory sulcus is called gyrus rectus. This is the olfactory tract. Following it posteriorly, it divides into medial and lateral parts, which enclose the anterior perforated substance. This substance is perforated by central arteries of the anterior and middle cerebral arteries. The olfactory bulb and tract form a part of the rhyncephalon, which is the part of the limbic system concerned with smell. This is another specimen showing the anterior perforated substance perforated by the central arteries. This is the para-terminal gyrus, lying in front of the lamina terminalis and below the rostrum of corpus callosum. This is the lamina terminalis, and this is the rostrum of corpus callosum. This is the cingulate gyrus, curving backwards around the splenium to become continuous with the para-hippocampal gyrus. Note that just behind the splenium, the cingulate gyrus and the lingual gyrus join the parahippocampal gyrus. It should be noted that the cingulate gyrus and the parahippocampal gyrus are two main gyri of the limbic system.